here's the thing. I don't know what the thing is. But okay, so now I'm here. I slept for 12 hours. I already told you that. And I'm a little bit... I want to sleep more. And that is why the sort of my plans are for this weekend, for this vacation, is that I'm actually going to take the first few days, the first like 4, maybe 3. I'm going to take it really, really relaxing things, just like hanging around the pool, maybe going to the beach. Well, I have a lot of plans, and I don't know if I'm going to do them or not. So I have a lot of things that I want to do, and then I just take it day by day. But some of the things I might do is taking a 3-day, 4-day cruise over to another island here. And it's very close to Komodo Islands, and I want to go to Komodo Islands where the Komodo lizards live. That's the only place in the world they live. So it's at the Komodo Island. And what I can tell you about the Komodo lizards, it's the biggest lizards in the world. And also there's a very big island called Flores, or they also call it East Nusa Tenggara, and there I might go up to the mountains and visit a minority people village. And in Bali, I probably want to go to Ubud again because I loved it the last time. This is the second time I'm in Bali, and there's a lot of waterfalls. I love waterfalls, so I'm going to visit some of them. And there are some temples I want to visit, and there are also some of the temples are on the water kind of thing, a water temple. Sounds nice, doesn't it? And what else? Well, yeah, there's some adventure things. I actually want to do like going on a big truck or something. I don't know, ATV. I think they call it ATV adventure kind of thing, like a small Jeep, but that you sit on, or like not a Jeep, but oh well. And then you can do canoeing. That's like going on, like in gorges, ravine in Swedish, and there's a lot of water, and then you jump into the water, and you can rappel yourself down from like mountain walls and stuff. So it's also a very adventurous thing to do. Yeah, that's only for Bali or Indonesia thing, because then I'm going to Thailand for 2 weeks as well. But that's another story. It's absolutely delicious. I don't know if I told you this, but the last time I was in Bali, it was like ridiculous, all the food I ate. And you know, when you eat something and comes out of your mouth, just like you don't need to do it, it just happens. That's the kind of, I got like from, I can't say all the food, but almost all the food when I were here last time. And this started out, yesterday was food, and this is also a food. It's a small and I'll tell you why. Because I remember I used to order all the food last time with Balinese hot, so more chili and more hot. So that's what I'm gonna do next time. There's a lot of shops here around, coffee shops and restaurants and stuff. And now I'm looking for the beach. But you also see that it's almost like a very strange light, sort of like the blue hour or something like that. I've just been eating again a very good meal. but I need to remember to say that I want spicy Balinese Bali spicy, Balinese spicy, because then I think it would have been like So I'm looking for like a sidewalk like this, that I can go inside or out to the ocean. The bad thing is that the rainy season is early this year. It's supposed to start like in November sometime, and now it's just in the beginning of October, so it's very early. Due to climate change and everything, that you can't really depend on the seasons nowadays. But you just have to go with the flow, right? And yeah, it is what it is. Oh, look what I found here. Café Smörgås. That's cafe sandwich in English. That's this is a Swedish thing. Swedish owned and management since 2006. So they have like Swedish courses here as well. You can get like toast skagen, smoked salmon, befried, and also some herring, cheese, and snaps, which is a drink, like a hut. No, like I don't know. What is it? It's so I just ate, so I'm not going here. But this looks very nice. I'm going here. I'm going here tomorrow. I will say that. So just by this here, I found. I think this is the road. Morning of the world to Pantai Karang. That this is the road to the beach. Let's go. Oh, and I must tell you, I don't think it's a secret anymore. If you followed me, you've seen that all the pavements and stuff, they are kind of black or wet. They are wet. It's been raining. Oh my. But I know, what do you do with that? You cope with it. You make the best of it. You just, yeah, just deal with it, okay? You can sit and eat, I suppose. And I'm at the beach. Okay, so it's funny. When I came to Bali the last time, I was in Sanur the first place, and I didn't like it at all, but it's much better now. Maybe because I sort of know what to expect. But I mean, this is nice. There's nothing wrong about this. I came from there, and here we have the beach. It's kind of nice, isn't it? Well, I have a little of confession to make. The first time I was in Bali, I went to this place. This was the first city or first place I went to when I went to Bali, and I was a bit disappointed about it. And I think it wasn't the paradise I expected from Bali, but then I traveled around the other parts of Bali, and I saw I saw Bali, the paradise Bali that I expected. But this trip here, I sort of wanted to go back to this place again to see if maybe now I know how it is and my expectations are more valid. I don't know, but it feels much better this time. So I sort of changing my views of Sanur, because I like it rough. I like when it's not so polished, so I don't know why I didn't like Sanur, but I think it was the sort of the paradise kind of thing. But I mean, this is really, I mean, there's nothing wrong about this, right? Look at this. Yes, I don't know. It has been here like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and it's getting dark so quickly. So I'm heading back. I might have a massage today. It would be nice. I just remember that I didn't feel the water. I have to feel the water. God damn it. I'm an idiot. So let's go down, if you can see anything. Okay, so now I'm here. You can hear me go inside. Oh, it's beautiful. It's lovely. It's lovely. It sort of gives you a little bit of coldness. No, not coldness, but it's not warm. Very nice. Camellia Spa. Yeah, that's where I got my first massage during this trip, and it was really, really good. Adi, I think it's called. Yeah, really good. I know it's this little, and here you have like outside music and stuff in some of the restaurants. It's very, very nice. It costed 95,000, which is around $7 or 6-7 euros. 70 spänn. That's okay, right? Oh my god, it wasn't the best I had in my life, but it was really, I needed that, and I think I've needed a massage for like years and years and years. It was actually a very long time since I had a massage. It must have been pre-pandemic, because during the pandemic you weren't allowed, or you didn't want to have. So yeah, my god, it might have been actually my last trip to the Philippines. Yeah, so it was time for one. And now I'm heading back to my hotel, and I think I'm gonna have a little beer on my little terrace. So this is the Instagram version of my room. It's a mosquito net, but it looks more like, I don't know, for a princess. And the Instagram is like, you can only see this, but then you can see, wow, oh my god. And yes, my little terrace. You don't see anything. Bintang. And I bid you good night.